There's no denying that the appeal of a proper and reliable handheld gaming device has been around, still is, and will be around to impact gamers on a large scale. When it comes to handheld gaming devices, the Ayn Odin 2 Mini and the AyaNeo Pocket S stand out as the premium picks in the market right now. Both of these devices come with promises of providing a top-notch gaming experience, fully kitted with unique features and powerful performance. As avid gamers ourselves, we've decided to delve into the specifics of these two handheld devices to help you decide which one might be the better pick for you. So without further ado, let's begin. The design is one of the most crucial aspects of any handheld device, not only for aesthetics, but also for comfort during those long gaming sessions. The Ayn Odin 2 Mini comes with a sleek and ergonomic design that's bound to feel great in the hand, as the smooth curves and strategically placed buttons make it easy to hold for extended periods without causing fatigue. The device also features a large, vibrant screen that plays a huge role in enhancing the overall visual appeal of the game in question. On the other hand, the AyaNeo Pocket S is compact and stylish, making it a more portable option in comparison. The Pocket S, staying true to its title, comes brandishing a minimal design with a premium finish, which gives off a sophisticated look and feel. The build quality of the console is solid, and it feels like it could take a beating and is durable enough to withstand the rigors of daily use. While it might not be as ergonomically optimized as Odin 2 Mini, we mean just look at it. It still provides a comfortable gaming experience through its intuitive button layout that just feels right. While the looks of both consoles are up to the mark and will cater to anyone who's looking for a premium handheld console, what about the raw power? Fortunately, performance is on par with the beautiful and ergonomic visuals of these consoles, as the Ayn Odin 2 Mini is powered by a high-performance chipset that's capable of handling even the most demanding games with ease. It's built to work with both emulators and modern Android games, and is designed to consistently deliver smooth and lag-free gaming, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor that features a configuration of 1 Gold Plus core at 3.2 GHz, 4 Gold cores at 2.8 GHz, and 3 Silver cores at 2.0 GHz. The high-performance CPU is paired with an Adreno 740 GPU, ensuring exceptional graphics processing capabilities, as we saw with the original Ayn Odin 2. Now, the AyaNeo Pocket S is slightly less powerful on paper, as it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon G 3X Gen 2 gaming platform processor and Adreno A32 GPU. It delivers superior peak performance and sustained output. The processor is able to keep up with the most demanding titles with ease, alongside providing smooth support for emulation and modern Android games as well. Additionally, the device also comes with full support for cloud gaming, which allows the player to play AAA titles without any limitations whatsoever. Now, gaming on the go has never been this easy, and when it comes to sheer portability, we gotta give the cake to AyaNeo Pocket S for its smaller size and lighter weight, which makes it easy to carry around. This makes it a prime choice for when you're commuting, traveling, or just moving around from room to room in the office or household. The compact design also means we could easily fit it into most pockets or bags without having to deal with unnecessary bulk. The Ayn Odin 2 Mini, on the other hand, while still portable as it can be, is slightly larger and heavier in comparison. This makes it a bit more cumbersome to carry around compared to the Pocket S. However, the ergonomic design and the larger screen make up for this if you're the kind of person who prioritizes comfort and a better visual experience over portability. As portable handheld consoles, battery life is one of those aspects that could make or break the decision regarding which one to choose. The Ayn Odin 2 Mini boasts a robust battery that comes with a 5000 mAh battery to provide up to 6 hours of gameplay from a single charge, which isn't a bad runtime at all in our books. I mean, 6 to 8 hours of gameplay from a single charge is more than enough for the average gamer, and with power banks, you can expect a few hours more. This makes it a great option for those longer RPG grind-focused gaming or road trips, where access to power might be limited. Happens more often than you think, mind you. Then again, the AyaNeo Pocket S also offers a decent battery life, though falling slightly short of the Odin 2 Mini. Now this is a problem. While on paper, the Pocket S has a 20% bigger battery, the performance makes the console consume about 114% more power. This means the battery on the Pocket S, believe it or not, will drain twice as fast as an S24 Ultra, and that is not a good sign. With 2 to 2.5 hours of runtime, this is the Achilles heel of what would be an otherwise great handheld console. Ask yourself, what do you yourself value the most in a handheld gaming device? Is it performance, an ergonomic design, the display output? There are a lot of things to consider, and things could get muddy. As a rule of thumb for which console to choose, if you prefer performance and ergonomic design coupled with a larger display in comparison, the Ayn Odin 2 Mini is the better option. This handheld will provide a premium gaming experience that justifies the higher price point. But here's the thing, if you prefer portability and a compact design, and if you feel like the Ayn Odin Mini 2 might be a bit out of your price range, the AyaNeo Pocket S acts as an excellent alternative. This handheld offers a great balance of performance and portability, making it an ideal choice for gaming when you're on the go. Both of these handhelds come with their own unique set of perks and are capable of delivering an enjoyable gaming experience. And whether you pick the Odin 2 Mini for its power and comfort, or the Pocket S for the portability and visual appeal, you're sure to have a fantastic time.